What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to a new video. My name is of course Paul, and if you've been watching the channel for a while, you know this isn't my normal location. I'm currently away in Turkey, but I have been enjoying the Z Fold 6 in navy. Full review coming soon. Camera, by the way, while I've been out here, fantastic. This video right here isn't about the camera or a review of the phone. So this right here is Samsung's genuine leather case. So I figured while I'm out here, before we head home and we have the onslaught of cases that need to be filmed, why don't I bring the leather one out here with me and we film this right here. And obviously you've got the tan, I went for the other colour, so this right here, so it comes in two colours for the leather one. So you've got tan and this one, which is like a sort of offy grey colour. So let's just jump into it. Okay, so Samsung on the top right there shows the case, Galaxy Z Fold 6, whatever you want to say, and it's called the Kindsuit case. As you can see, it says the same thing on the side right here. On the back, some more information about it if you want to pause and read it. It says that it is a premium case, and then nothing else on here. I haven't got my trusty unboxing knife, so unfortunately it is going to be a rip case style. And there we go, that was nice and easy. Now let's pop it out like so. So nothing else in the box, and then just here you've got a little bit of reading material. If you want to flick through it, tells you how to install the case. So there's that. I don't need that, so let's get rid of it. So there's the front piece to go over the glass, little piece of card in the middle just to keep them separate, and then this right here to protect that nice microfiber inner lining. We take off the QR code in the middle, and this is, as you can see, so it is like a nice greyish material, nice bit of protection around the camera, cut out there for your flash, Samsung etched into the case at the bottom, nice for the squared off design, and then as I say, that nice orangey felt inner lining. So let's go ahead and let's slap in the phone. You don't need to take anything off for the back piece. So there's that, so it just slaps on like so. So there is the back piece. See, it looks really good. So then we get the front one. Now you can either leave these on if you choose to, or you can start to peel them off just so it sits on properly onto your phone. So then there's more just on the side right here, so that it adheres to the phone. Now unfortunately this isn't going to be my main case, I don't think. I just picked it up to show it to you guys and also to protect it while I was out here. So hinge is wide open, so you can see that navy colour. Then on the back, nice grey material, leather. Let's see the smell test. Yeah, no real leather smell there, but cameras nice and protected. It is sort of online with the bumper, still looks good. Cut out there for your power and your volume buttons, all the speakers and mics on the top, and of course your speaker and your charge port down on the bottom right there with your mic. There we go. So if you fold it out like so, and if you flip it around, that's what it's going to look like. So let me know what you think of the leather case for the Z Fold 6. Let me know what you think of that one. But as you can see, when you're opening it out, it's got that nice sort of groove inside there, so where you can just literally put your finger on it and pull it out. Fits nice, looks nice, feels nice in the hand. Is the leather case something you would go for? I know these tend to do people's heads in a little bit because they tend to push and slide. So let me know what you think of the Kindsuit case. Is this something you would consider picking up? I think it looks fantastic, especially in that grey colour. Looks absolutely stunning. But I don't know whether I wish I would have went for the tan now over the grey, but maybe it would suit the tan. But let me know what you think in the comment section down below. I'm going to leave links down there to where you can pick this and the tan one up for yourself on Amazon. My affiliate links won't cost you any extra. Let me know what you think, and then obviously get ready for the onslaught of videos when on my return back to the UK in a couple of days. So thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate it as always. If you like this, drop a like. If you loved it, drop a sub. Turn those notifications on. I'll see you in the next one. Take care, guys.